Okay guys, so now we're gonna be doing factorizing of trinomials, right? So this one, first thing that you need to do, you need to check the common factor between 1, 2, 3. So there's no common factor. There shouldn't be any common factor, right? Because here I have x squared, I have x, but here I don't have x. Then I have 1, I have 12, I have, yes, there's a common factor between 12 and 36, but here I have 1, so the common factor is 1, so there's no need to take out a common factor. And then the second thing that you need to check if it is well arranged, quadratically arranged, ne? So what do I mean? Sometimes they can say 36 plus x squared plus 12x. So you can see I have x squared, I have x, then I have just a number. So you must just put it in this form. It must be x squared, then x1, then no x. So you must rearrange it. You must start with x here, then the second one, then the last one here, right? So the third thing, you need to take out factors of 36. So I'm gonna do 2 or 4 videos on this, right? The first thing that you must check, the one that is just a number, the variable doesn't have an x. We're only going to do the ones when this is a positive. You can see this can come as a negative, this can come as a positive. When this is a positive, it means you have same signs. Your factors must have same signs, and then here you must add your factors. You must add your factors to get the middle term. You'll understand as I go. So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna look for factors of 36, of plus 36, which is what? You take out a common factor, you say 36 divide by 1 on the calculator, so it will give you 36, which is 1 times 36. Then you say 36 divided by 2, it will give you 2 and 18. 2 times 18. 36 divided by 3, it will give you 3 times 12. 36 divided by 4, it will give you 4 times 9. 36 divided by 5 is a fraction, so it's not a factor. Divide by 6 is gonna give you 6 times 6, right? So now we must now identify these factors here. Which ones are we going to use, and then what signs should they be? So we know that when it's positive here, they must have the same sign, but we are not told whether the sign will be positive or negative. We only know that it's going to be the same sign. So if your factors are positive, they must all be positive. If they are negative, they must all be negative, right? So this is the one that will tell you. If this is positive here, it means all factors must be what? Positive. So you're going to put positive everywhere here. Everywhere here. And if you notice here, this side I put small factors, this side I put big factors, right? Big factors. So now we have the middle term of 12. I'm going to look for factors here that when I add them, I get 12. What are those factors? 6 and 6. So these are the factors that when I add them, I will get 12. So these are the factors I'm going to use. So you're going to open 2 brackets here. And then you have x times x, which is going to give you the x squared here. And then you have positive 6 and positive 6. So let's say perhaps you had something like this. You had x squared plus 15x, right? Then plus 36. It's still the same thing, because we're still working with 36. We're gonna use these factors, and all is positive, same signs, and you add your factors, and all of them are positive, right? So now you're going to look for factors that when you add them, you get 15. So it's 3 and 12, because 3 and 12, when you add them, you get 15, which is the middle term. So you're gonna say x and x. So plus 3 plus 12. It doesn't matter. You can put 12 here and 3 here. It doesn't matter. So you just check the middle term. If the middle term was 20, you're gonna use this. 2 plus 18 is 20. So if this was 20, you're gonna use these factors, right?